Okay guys, today I'm going to be trying this. I'm not that vain, so if it comes out I look like a striped zebra, it's no big deal, it'll grow out. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you have to do is go in the back of your head, pull out a piece of hair and cut it off. I've already done that so I can do my little test strip. Okay, this is what's in the box. Liquid and powder that you mix together, a little bonnet that you put over your head, another little plastic bag that you put over that bonnet, some plastic gloves, and a little crochet hook-like thing that you use to pull the hair through the bonnet. So we're going to start by doing our test strand, and you'll mix together the powder and the liquid and just spread it on your taped together hair strand and let it sit for the required time. And for the mixture, you just put 1 part of powder to 2 parts of the liquid. So I'm going to cover my strand fully and wait 10 minutes and see if I want to go further. Okay, I waited 10 minutes. This is how that dark hair lightened. So it says you can do it for you can let it sit for up to 60 minutes to see. Don't go over 60 minutes. I'm just gonna go with this 10 minutes because look, it kind of makes my roots blend in with my old hair. So let's just try this and see what happens. So I'm not going to make y'all sit through all of it. I'm just going to show you the start from what I gather. Now, from what it looks like, you don't put your hair up, you just leave your hair down. But it says to part your hair, your normal part. Now, a lot of times I do mine on the side like that. Other times I do it in the middle. So I'm just going to leave it like this. Let's not make it too technical. And then you put this little adorable bonnet on your head. Okay, so what it looks like is you just take this. I can't even find the holes. I'm just going to show y'all a quick one, and then I'm going to have to go in the bathroom where I have a mirror where I can see better. Find one of these holes. You poke it in, and you pull some hair out. You can pull thick chunks, thin chunks. You could just do it around here. You could just do it here. You could do it all the way to the back. So, you do that. Then you mix up the stuff again in your little tray, and you take this spatula and you spread it on there, and then you wait your time, whatever the time was on your thing. So we're just going to go with the 10 minutes. So I'm going to go get all these holes poked and spread my stuff on. I'll be back. Y'all ready for this? Okay, I'm about to put the stuff on, but here's how it came out. And I only did this far because, to be honest, I think you need 2 people. I should have waited and done this when I was at my daughter's house, but because it's hard to find the holes, even with a mirror, you're like, So, and some pieces come out thick, some come out thin. You can't really put it back under the bonnet. So I just went with it that way. It'll look natural, I guess. So I got, you know, some on the sides, some on the top. If I like it, I can always go back and do the back when I'm at my daughter's. Hey, I wanted to tell y'all something. That little spatula it's going to take you forever, and you're not going to even be able to tell if you got the whole piece covered. So I was playing fast and loose, wild and crazy, putting myself in danger. I didn't even use the gloves. I just grabbed globs of the stuff and spread it, got it real good close to the cap, and spread it down the strands. Twisted them all up. Now we're waiting our time. And this piece was hanging out, so I covered it too. I was like, here, may as well. And I think while I'm being fast and loose, wild and crazy, I'm gonna go for 15 minutes. So we'll see how it comes out, and it will be what it will be. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here it is. I don't love it, I don't hate it. So I might go back because I didn't use all of it. You know, I'm a cheapskate. So I took a teaspoon and a half of the powder, and then you take double of however much powder you use of the other. So it was a teaspoon and a half to 3 teaspoons. So I've got a lot left. And I was thinking, like, I could go through here and just take little strips like this, put the stuff on it, and see how it comes out. If I like it, maybe take another strip, put the stuff on it. So I might, because I want some of this underneath to blend more with the rest of my hair, my new roots and my gray. But for now, this is what it is. It's not all the way dry, still damp. But there you go. So I'll leave a link to the one I bought. I paid, I think, $12 for it, $11 or $12. And there's enough to do it 3 or 4 times, because even if you pulled a lot more hair than I did, once you get it on top, it's really just a little ball of hair. So it doesn't take much to coat it. So that's my biggest tip if you use that. Besides, my biggest tip is get a friend to help you. And the second tip is don't use all of it. You don't need to. I mean, I guess if you had hair down past your butt and it was super thick and you were going to do a bunch of it, but for just some strands like that, yeah, you don't need that much. So that's it for today, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.